Hi everybody, today I'm gonna teach you for this video how to use the Cartier program in advanced technique to create a 3D model of the car wheel. The car wheel, for example, I will show you in this website. It's a car wheel, right? Composed of tire and alloy wheel. The alloy wheel is the technical name, the official name called alloy wheel or magnesium alloy wheel, and in the Thai people mostly call this, right? It's called some alloy wheel represented by max law max, right? Law max is max wheel. You can typing on in the website, right? The max wheel, right? Max wheel, and you will get the result, get the out of the max wheel type, right? A different type. And if you use the official name alloy wheel, the same thing, right? Okay, you get official name and you get the result from the alloy wheel, different, right? Okay, different. And the tire is tire. If you typing in this, right, in the tire in this Google search, right? Okay, you're going to typing in this bang box, right? You will get this the tire, right? And if you need to focus on the thread, right? The thread pattern. The thread pattern is thread. Thread is mean the pattern of the tire, right? If you focus on pattern, right? You typing especially word thread tire. Okay, you will get in the 2D, right? The pattern, 2D pattern is different. On of this is the right. The front view focus on the pattern, especially pattern, right? The easy to import to the Cartier program and draw the pattern and create a 3D model, right? And the same thing in Max, in the alloy view or the Max view, you focus on the 2D, right? The 2D, right? 2D is the front view, special front view is important because the front view, okay, gather about the information, detailed information of the spoke pattern. This is spoke pattern. Spoke pattern is all different, depend on the style of the manufacturer. The build it produce is max style, right? And the sport is different. Okay, it's a beautiful sport pattern, right? Okay, up to you which one you like. Okay, you save this pattern. Okay, and if I prefer this one, I save as it's JPEG, right? JPEG type format. Okay, very good. And support the Cartier support is this the format, right? Okay, you typing and you keep that file to your folder work, right? You work file, you work folder, you must create a new folder and the name in that folder to be II215. Okay, it's very good, right? It makes sense in this work, and you keep your file on our project file. You will creating you will be creating in this video. Follow me, follow up me. I will guide you and lead to create a model from the 2D images, right? Okay, I will set up the pattern to be 4 or 5, right? No, it's not tire pattern. This is the sport pattern. It's max, the max pattern. Okay, good. Fine. So ready to save, right? And come back to the Cartier again, and okay, I provide the picture, 2D picture, and a tire and max pattern already. I show you that folder. Right? Click inside and go into is for me, right? I created about the new folder to 1II to 5 to 15, right? The max view. Okay, this is the pattern. This is the pattern. Now why did I find out the picture, 2D picture, tire pattern, and max pattern, right? Spot pattern. All of this when I need to be creating about the 3D, right? Why? Because if you remember, it's just basic, right? It's start the CATIA program in the basic. You need the drawing and dimension side by side of the model of the part, and you take in the every dimension to draw on the profile in the sketcher module on the paint, right? And when you done about the sketch, right, you go out and you use the part design module, create the 3D on the sketch, right? Then you must have the sketch, must have the drawing and the dimension, right? And this time in advance, right? I suggest you, we need to download and find out the picture, the 2D, and because I propose the problem, you must create 3 model for the car wheel. Okay, you search a car wheel, and you have known about two components, right? So you must find out, right? Find out the 2D in font, right? The spoke of the pattern in the max view, the 2D in the front view, right? Because it's very clear in completed information of the pattern, and 2D is same. 2D of the pattern of tire, right, is the same, right? You find out the pattern like this, right? Like this. And another thing, you never have the dimension, right? The dimension, because this is 2D, right? 2D spoke 2D pattern, right? And you never known about how many side. It's what the size of the width and height, and every the pattern you didn't know before, right? And to find out, you must now find out the dimension in the standard, right? It's the standard dimension of the car wheel. Prepare the standard size for you already, right? I did search on the internet, right, and find out the pattern, standard size, or the dimension of the car wheel, right? The search on the internet, right? I found about that. I kept that file in the desktop, right? Let me copy this, copy our file to your folder. Copy. Okay. Find out your folder, OneDrive, and II215 max view. Copy here of this. Okay, let me show you and teach you how to use that picture, that images to the CATIA, and take that picture and use that picture release on the CATIA command and draw profile, right? Draw profile in the sketch, release on the picture profile. Okay, let me use the CATIA. You create a new, right? New. Then because I recall your memory, maybe you forgot how to create a new file, right? And it's my display show you this is another type, type in the car view. This I did it already. This is the car view, right? And the logo BMW in the center, this car view. And okay, and this is the two component. One, tire, and this max view, the tire. This is the pattern, right, from 2D. The pattern from 2D, right? Here become the 3D using the Cartier command. And okay, I hide this. A show of the max view, alloy view, right? This the pattern, this the pattern. I show both, and I show light. Here, this is I just going to Photo Studio, right? And this one was this spotlight. I show you about here. I made the material style to the tire, right? Okay, this tire, and this, okay, going to here, very clear. The surface, right? The surface. This example. Therefore, you must do this. You can do this. Write me. All right. This file. This is the project file, right? Okay, like this. If you need to change the material, right? The material of the tire, right? Okay, so you have this tire. I double click in this, right? The tire, and this one, apply, right? Okay, I will select in the painting and black one, and apply one, right? Okay, click OK. Okay, over here. So ready to go. New, right? Here the new file, and use the type, right? The type of your project. You will use the product, right? It's product, right? It's product. Click OK. Okay, you got the new window, new project file. It works better like this. Going to the sketcher, right? It's sketcher. The sketcher, you have known this before because it's the previous code. You would use this one, this module for importing the picture inside and create the site, right? The overall site related on the real site, right? The real site in the product or the part, right? And this one is a standard site. And standard site I got, right? I prepare for you the standard site for defining the scope, right? It's the overall site, and the overall site width and height overall, and right? It's the overall site. It's not detailed information in the every feature, how many site, right? How many site? Okay, and the standard site didn't be like that, right? Like that, because the standard site I need to reference. I need to refer the overall site, right? And overall site and proposition in the site aspect ratio related on the detail in depth the detail in the detail information relate together with the scope, right? The overall site, right? Relate on the detail, write the aspect ratio, write the proposition of the feature, right? Maybe you wonder, I said, right? Whether I said, and you think about this. you didn't understand, right? Maybe you didn't understand. I will show you in the real time on my workout. I show you. I think this should be used for importing the picture image. You already done, kept in the folder. Find out max view. Okay, I focus on the tire, right? The tire front. Okay, click on here. Tire, I took here the tire. And this is the center side. Okay, I will click on here for defining the side, the overall side. Open. It's open, and this is the limb, right? The other alloy wheels limb, right? It's the wheel limb. This wheel limb is 20 inches, right? 20 inches. Okay, I focus on this side, right? The wheel limb. It's a max limb, right? 20, and this one is the 20, right? 20 again is the same, right? Same. Okay, focus on the detail. This one width, right? This one the diameter of the max wheel, right? This one is the cross section of the max wheel, right? Cross section of the max wheel. Okay, I just use this picture and the website. Okay, this is for cop of this picture, and this one, okay, I'll show you. I need to change the view to this view. Okay, it's left, right view, right? Okay, so it's right view. It's good. It's right view. Click on this button. Right, the button, the two type, right? Two type view. Two type views is okay. It's different. And this view it show you right the 3D, right? And you must click on here. Okay, right, the 2D 2 axis, right? Okay, click OK first, right? Because it's not clear to look at about the green color of the axis, right? Here our axis, okay, it's not clear, right? Not clear because it's right, it's blending to the white color, and the harder to look at. Let me use the sum function. Adjust this picture first. Okay, click right button in your mouse and going to set up the graphic and click on the transparent, right? And the transparent going to 100, right? Around 120. Okay, apply, right? Okay, it make that picture to transparent, right? It's transparent. Okay, easy to add if green color of the axis. Okay, show on this transparent area. Apply, okay, and double click, going to inside, going to the picture again, and this one, okay, easier to look at, right? And focus on the center. Okay, going to the center here, and this, okay, you try approximate, right, the location, 0 x0 y0, oh sorry, and this one, right, the xz plane, right, because the breadth right wheel show you, right, the xz, right, xz, in the xz, right, it show you xz plane. Okay, like this. And you focus on the side, right, because you need to define overall side of the the tire. So you must define the size using the profile. Okay, focus on hidden line of in the green color hidden line. Focus on here. This side, and the picture is error and made a mistake. It is shifted to the side in the back color of this dimension, right? This dimension, and you see here, right? You see here is just shifted above and over the side, and normally you should define this line. Okay, this line to this line is the limb, the view limb. The view limb is 20 inches, right? 20 inches is the count of the first point. The count of this point, right? In the core line is the horizontal edges, right? Edges. Okay, this one and this one is core line together, and this I count this one is first point and this second point, right? And it make the mistake a little bit, right? Okay, I will okay, let me delete it out. That means I need to focus on the bottom edge for back, right? It's black color. Bottom edge is black color, right? Okay, over here, and the half of 508 millimeter, 8 millimeter, and double click on here, and 254 millimeter, right? Millimeter, and inside of parentheses, right? And 20 inches, and outside is 508 millimeter. I use the millimeter instead, right? Okay, 200, 54, 94. Yes, okay. And this the side, right? Okay. And focus on one side, right? One side. Okay, you don't care about here. Okay, just focus on vertical direction, 254, and this point, right? Okay, you define the picture area, this it. Okay, I need to crop, right? Okay, it's good. It's good. If you don't be sure about what you need, what you need, in this time you use, right? You must check it out by the tools in the menu, right? Tool option, and go into the third tab, parameter and measure, and point to the third tab, right? And go down, focus on the millimeter in length, right? Length millimeter. If maybe someone stuck in the inch, right? Stuck in the inch unit. Okay, you come back to the millimeter at default. This is the default, right? Millimeter. So ready to go? Okay, and this this time is still have is the image, right? The image, one image, and don't have, right? Don't have about the part, right? The component, and this is the product. This is the product. You can change name of the product to be Carville. Carville, click OK. Carville, and didn't have the component anymore, right? Okay, you're going to the assembly, right? Assembly design, and someone uh, someone never have about the tool like this. You're going to set it up and show up on the workbench tool, right? The workbench, right? And the welcome menu. Okay, the welcome menu never have anything in that area in the welcome box, right? Okay, you must set it up by this pop-up menu, right? It's pop-up menu. You click on the empty tab, right? Empty tab zone. You go down, focus on customize, the customize, right? And go into the start menu tab. The start menu tab, you select on the left zone window, right? And select write me. You follow up, write me in the special tool and the favorite tools for mine, right? For mine, and that means you can follow up to me. Assembly design, left to right, click the arrow left to right, and move, copy the tool that often using, right? Okay, to right. Okay, forgot on here. Click close. For me already done a lot of things. And I go into the assembly module and find out the tools, product structure tools, important. These two for add up the component to the product, right? My product is a Carville. I use this, the third command toolbar, right? Third icon. You click on third and forgot and right, take a highlight at the Carville. And this is a product. You're going to create a new one to the Carville product, right? Click on here. This is a Carville product. Okay, right now got the one part, right? The one component under the Carville already by using the third icon in the product structure toolbar, right? Okay, ready to go creating the part, right? The tire, right? Okay, this part is okay. Let me double click in the Carville again, going to the sketch, right? And I forgot, right? I forgot the rename the part one to be the tire, this one, the tire plus one plus point one, tire point one. Click OK. Double click inside the part body, right? Switch to the part body, the part design module already, right? If you switch back to the sketch tester and switch back to the assembly, right? You just enough to click the Carville name, right? It is turned back to the assembly module. And if you switch to the part design module, you just only double click in the part body, right? That's it, very easy. Switch alternative the module, right? And this one, I suggest you use the sketch position sketch because you define orientation of the axis, right? And set up the center point, right? Freely, very easy to reference in the real part, right? Easy to understand. If use this one position scale because in this advanced, right? Advanced technique, right? I suggest you use this one. Okay, you click on the pen, right? You on the pen, SV, okay, it's correct, right? S point to right, V point up, right? Okay, it's success and satisfy of the standard axis axis Cartier, right? The Cartier system. So okay, and you got the sketch, right? Sketch is like the paper, right? Sketch on the pen XC pen already, right? And right now I will create the frame, the main frame of the tire, right? Not including the pattern. The pattern, okay, I will teach you later. And right now create the main tire first. Main tire. The main tire, this one, the black color. So I use the tool profile. It's a profile used for creating, right? Okay, the same, write the name, right? The name of the toolbar profile. You going to create the profile. Right? I use this. I use this profile. Profile multi-line in the one command, right? Multi-line in the one command. I will use this. Right? Focus on the back color edges. Right? The edge. Right? Okay. Click. You need to use the sketch tool. Sketch tools, right? If someone never have the sketch tool pop up in your screen, you must going to click right button on the empty tab, right? In it, right? Empty bar above, right? Okay, going to click it on, right? The sketch tool, right? Click it on, right? And right now I have already done about the turning on already, right? And for you, you check it out and your computer and your program, okay, turn on or turn on yet, right? Okay, come back to create a profile. You know about the 3-point arcs, right? Because in this zone you cannot use the tangent arc, right? And these are appropriate using about 3-point arcs, right? Click on here. Click on here, right? Okay, and use tangent, right? Oh, sorry, not tangent. Again, carry back, and use the keyboard, Control C. Okay, let me use 3-point arc again, right? Tangent. Okay, go to here, use tangent arc. Okay, stop over here. Okay, really here it didn't be tangent, right? In the connector it didn't be connect by tangent constraint, right? You must use the manual, make it tangent, right? Tangent control. And this one using about geometry constraint and the tangent, right? Okay, done. This one not yet completed, right? Not yet work completely about define the profile tangent at all, right? You must use the manual, define the tangent. This one here, the tangent already. Okay, and some right because it's a multi-line in the one command profile, right? And this one, okay, you just keep it fixed, right? Keep it fixed because it's satisfied and co-align with the profile in the picture already, right? Okay, I need to fix it, right? Because I need adjust some line, right? Some line in here. If I didn't fix it, the line else. Okay, when I move this and on off, the line else is move together with the I make it, right? I make it, move it, and some line else move follow up, right? Okay, I don't want to move follow up. It's my move, my movement, right? Okay, this one. Okay, here, here, right? Okay, I fix it. Move up a little bit. I fix it. Fix it. This one I move up. I just define the radius of this curve. 50. Oh, sorry, 50 and 100. Okay, I fix it. Fix it point because it's move. Oh, sorry, it's move here. Okay, I just move here. Okay, easy to move, right? Because if you didn't fix this position, and when I move, and this position is moved as well, right? Okay, I didn't need to move follow up. I focus on another one move, right? And this one is move follow me. I didn't wanted one, and I didn't want one like that. Okay, right now, okay, clear. This way is better, right? Okay, fix the position and adjust it bit, adjust later. It's very good. You will get the perfect line right here. Uh, I keep it. I keep this profile, right? The open profile, right? Because the start point and the end point different location. I call this open profile. And the basic call I told you about. If you need to create the solid, okay, the solid in the part design module in the command pad, leave right in the part design. You must have the cost profile in the sketch, right? In the sketch before. Otherwise, you could not create a 3D part, right? Okay, it's the pop up, right? The open profile, and but in the advanced, right? You must use the special option in the pad command. The special option, that special option is uh, trick, right? Trick mean right, the thickness, right? You trick option, and the program is the offset, right? It's the offset another line automatically for you, right? Another line is automatically for you in the offset relate on the thickness you assign, right? You assign the thickness in that command. Okay, the offset line is created automatically for you, and okay, the similar the cost profile already, right? Okay, that option I will show you how to use that option, right? Okay, right now I need to symmetry the profile one side to another side, right? I need to use this operation, and the fourth command I select on I select on this, right? If you cannot select, right, because your mouse touch on the image behind, right, it's harder to select on here. You must use this one, the command visualization. You focus on the third command. You drop down to the second command, right? Okay, you focus on the current sketch already right now, right? Current sketch, right? Okay, easy to select already, right? And select on command symmetry and select the Miller axis, right? Right here, completed, done, right? Okay, I just go out of the sketcher module already, right here. And this one is sketch bed feature, right? Sketch bed feature in the part design module, the sketch bed feature toolbar, right? I click on the sharp, right? The sharp, and focus on the sketch, right? Sketch, and this option, special option, allow you use the open profile, create the 3D, right? Otherwise, the normal situation, you could not create it, the solid, right? Because it's a pop up open profile, the profile is error. You come back to sketch and close the profile, right? This is the basic. And another thing, this is the option, right? Maybe you pay attention, you intend create the solid by open profile like this, right? Think why I use the open profile? Because the thickness of this profile, okay, is co-align in even side thickness, right, along of the profile. Okay, you see thickness is co-align equally, right? Equally is the offset line. If the thickness is variable, along of the profile, you could not use this way. Use the thickness profile, because in this time and along of the profile, okay, keep the equally thickness, right? Equal thickness. That means, okay, easy to use this one, thick profile appropriately. I think it exists, and go around this edge, right? Okay, edge is x-axis, right? It's rotate around of the x-axis, rotate around x-axis, right? Okay, you click right button your mouse and define the x-axis, right? Okay, you got the main tire. Okay, the main tire done. The main tire right here. Okay, it's follow up of the profile, right? And thickness is not good, right? Okay, it's not yet completed because the back color appear on your screen, right? Actually, in the right way, the thickness is go outside, it's not go inside, right? Okay, I just click, right? And go up. It's not okay. Thickness 2 millimeter. Go up and 0. Go outside. It's 5 millimeter. I try. Thickness. Oh, inside, right? Come back. Not change anything. Okay, turn back out. Okay, define thickness. It's fine. You try. Okay. Thickness 2, good. Okay, 0. Keep core line of the profile. Not go inside. Okay, must go outside. Enough. Right? Okay, just 8. Apply. not repeated 10. Eleven as well. Yeah, that's it. And I think if not good, the curve is sharp edge, right? And this one is I think less smooth, right? The fillet too less, right? Fillet is too less. I think I need to change the sketch, some sketch, right? I define the fillet, define the fillet. 20, 50, 55. Sorry, 15, right? 70, 70, 20. Okay, come here. Here. The middle side, follow up is the parent, this is the children, right? This is the client. The parent is chain. The client is chain. Same thing. Okay, I need to keep it fixed. And right here, let me use the corner, make this corner 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter. Mm, 5 millimeter. Let me use 30. Oh, too much. Too much. 20 enough. 20. 20. It's sorry. This one. Oh, the radius fitted. Fitted radius should be 5, right? Should be 5, and this one should be 5 as well. The corner out, and the 3 model up there automatically. Okay, done. I got is the tire already, and right now I need to use the pattern, create the pattern. When you need to create the pattern of the tire, you must create a new body, insert new body, right? Insert new body. Okay, I suggest you when you create the complicate the model, right? Complicate model is complex 3D model, right? Complex 2D model, and this one is a tire is complex in the pattern, right? This is a complicated pattern, right? If you need to create easier, you must break down to the small problem, the complicated problem, change to the small problem, right? Okay, right here, and this one, right? One part, and this main part, right? The main tire is one, and this is a small part, right? It's small part. It's small part. Right? Okay. When you create the model, right? generate the feature by feature like this, right? If this one, right, independent of the main part, then the easy to create the pattern and the feature, complicated feature, easier than you combine together, right? The one part, right? The one part is the main part, and the feature part in the same solid. This is impossible to create it. To create the pattern, is the pattern of the tire, right? I suggest you, when you create a complicated model, you must separate and okay, the break it down the complicated problem to the small problem, right? In the main part, I separate the small part out. I separate to the another part, right? It's the main part, another part. I create a new body, right? This is the best way to create a complicated solid model. What is the pattern? And the pattern I already upload to here, upload to the folder already. Okay, right here. It's one of all of file. This file. Okay, this is another type. The pattern type. Okay, I use this. I will use this line, and up to you. You can select different. And for me, I use the first one, style of the tire pattern, and this one, the thread, right? It's thread, the thread, tire thread. Tire thread, I use the first one. Let me use the sketch tester. Take this picture to the cut here. I come back to the sketch tester, and you're going to click on the car view and click on the welcome menu and focus on the sketch tester again. Alright, I click on the right view, on the right view. I import the new file, and this one, click open. Click open. You must show up on your screen right here, right, in the material, shading with material, right? You shading with material, going to click on here, shading with material. If you use another shading, right? Okay, right here the picture it disappear, right? Okay, color full of the image, right? The scale it never have the detail in the picture, right? That means you must focus on and set up the shading with material. This is the material, right? Shading material is show up on your detail, image detail. Okay, right here. Let me define this part, right? Okay, define this part. This is okay first. Okay, I just cut it off. Just only the first one. Okay, click OK. The first one, and I need to transparent, right? Let me click on here. I need to click the percent shading percent, right? The 50, right? Okay, right here, transparent. Okay, transparent already. Okay, this part of transparent. Let's go back to the car view, right? And this one I hide of the picture, first picture, and this one double click on the picture, right? Let me I need to take it take it and set it to be transparency color as well, because I look at harder the green color axis, and I need to set up the transparency. Double click in here, axis, right? This axis, right? Axis, you're going to set up the center of the pattern, the thread pattern. The third pattern is I will going to set up in the sharp edge. The 0 is at the sharp edge. Okay, okay, the minimum profile in this in the the peak the peak of the pattern shape, right? And this one the end of the sharp. Okay, this is 1 minus 0, x0, y0, z0, right here in the center. Okay, the whatever you will set up the 0, this is the corner, another corner, no problem, no problem. Just I need to focus on the one of the repeated pattern, right? Is a one, right? Is a one pattern, and the profile is the repeated in the first one. And I mean I set up the first one of the pattern, and another pattern else, okay, repeated from here, from the first one, right? Okay, you focus on which one you need to point the 0, x, y0, z0, I'm sorry, x0, z0, right? Because it's the right view, right? Right view. Okay, you check it up, xc, right? Okay. Okay, maybe someone will focus on and this angle, this is the corner, you set up the c0 for you, right? No problem. And right now if the scale is missed, right? The scale is wrong, you must set up the size of the picture, right? The size of the picture is smaller than it's the solid part, right? Okay, you need to set up. You double click on this one. Set up the try to. Okay, if I use 400, right? Okay, this not okay, right? Not enough, right? Okay, you're going to more, not yet, right? Okay, you see right, the part, right? So the part smaller. Actually, it's not be like that, and this actually the picture is bigger than original. Right now the picture is bigger, depending on I set up the size of the picture. Okay, right now it's not enough, right? Okay, I will use 500, not yet, 550, not yet, little bit, 57, not enough, right? 58, not complete. Okay, 600, 600, still that's it, enough, right? Maybe okay, it's scrap, right? depend on you. You decide, because right now you didn't know about, and the real one set up the grab right from the edge of tire, and okay, and inside, and the grab set the inside from the tire, how many side, right? You didn't know. You okay, you imagine and decide by yourself. For me, enough for here. Right? And the one thing you careful, you are careful about, it's not set up, you cannot set up the size of the picture beyond of the edge of the tire, right? The edge of the tire, you cannot set up the picture beyond of the edge of the tire, right? This is important rule, important rule. Otherwise, if you set up beyond of the edge of the tire, the solid cannot create the pattern, the thread pattern in the main part, by and cop, can copy it. Okay, reduce the size. Okay. 100 auto, I think. Go back to the solid part, right? In the part design feature. Set up, check it up about currently defined object. If defined work object is focused on, okay, you're going to and confirm about this is our body you're going to do, right? You're going to do this body. You set up by define work object, right? And right now, the new command happen, and everything. The new command go on, create the feature, everything, right? And on of that, put into the body number two, and the body number two, right? Okay, set up the sketch. Okay, we check again. HV, click OK, click OK. And right now, not clear because the solid part, is it's close. It's close my vision. I cannot look at pass through about picture. That means I need to hide of this part, right? The part body. I create it feature. It feature. Okay. Focus on the one pattern, right? The one pattern. This one pattern. I used it. This is spy. This spy. Because this one, right, the sharp edge, right? Okay, that means why I click one line. Okay, and this one, click. Okay, this one. Control C. this one. Click here. If you need to adjust some point, right, you forgot it's 1 point, you could not click on all, right, at all like this. And when you move at all, move on of this to another location, right? If you need to adjust, it's just only 1 point. You forgot it's 1 point enough, right? And adjust a little bit, right? Okay, click on here, new line, double click, new line. See? Okay, go on. Next line. If you create a profile easier, you need to zoom in, right? When you zoom in and more detail, you can define the location easier than uh, it's a zoom out, right? The zoom out is harder when you define the point and need to tagging on the profile. Okay, right here. Escape. Zoom in. Click this one. Close it. not. Click on here, stop. Okay, create zoom in and detail, more you can do. Zoom in. Okay, try to tracking on the profile edge of the picture. Click stop. And this time, okay, you adjust a little bit, right? Okay, right here, enough, right? Oh, this one, another one. Okay, let me use this, right? And I copy over here, copy, copy. Okay, copy, upload it. Okay, copy this. It cannot because it's the same. Okay. Okay, let me check. Okay, alternate button, click. Okay, one piece, one line. Okay, one line. Let me use copy again. I need to use a technique to copy this. Okay, move down, down. This one, paste. Okay, because when I paste in the same same location, I write the stack on the old one, the older profile, right? That means why I move the original to another location and press okay, repeated the location, okay, no problem, because I did move out of the original location already, right? Okay, this just technique, and I use this one already, right? I need to copy. No, it's not copy. Mirror, right? Control this one. Mirror. Okay. Got the same. Sorry. Okay. This. I completed, and I ready to show up on the main part, right? The main part. I choose the path. The path, right? Okay, move up. Move up. It's oversight. Okay. Okay, I use that. Okay, it over the center, right? It go to right. Go to right. Try. Okay, I hit apply. Use this. Okay, apply. Okay, I need to pad go outside, right? It pad go outside of the outside of the tire surface, right? Over here, and still the limit, so limit 2, right? Limit 1, limit 2 must inside of the this edge, right? At this edge, if you use it, right? Okay, apply. This use it, okay, this is go over of the below edge, okay? Below edge go over, you protect, right? You be careful about this problem, but when this problem happen, and you cannot remove this uh, this the remove this the less surface, okay? Go up, not repeated. Okay, right now I will use the special option up to surface, right? Up to surface, because if I let the feature go outside, it's over the top of the surface tire, top of the tire surface like this, and not good, right? Because it's the right the horizontal solid and not curvature of the tire. It must be go along is the curve, is the circle curve, right? Circle surface, that's good. And right now it's not good because it's not co-align of the circle, right? Okay, I will use up to the surface of function. Up to the surface function, you must define the surface. You need to stop up, right? Stop the feature pattern. Stop over here, right? Stop over here, and this is I need to stop over here and never have the emboss feature of the pattern is gone, right? Because it stopped at surface. I need to offset up to the top tile top surface, right? Okay, is offset little bit distance. Okay, I will set up 8 right here, right 8. And right now is the thickness of the pattern, right? And the thread pattern is go along with the center of the circle already, circle surface already, right? Circular surface and co-align of the pattern, the thread pattern already, right? In this technique, right? Okay, I will use the 10. Okay. Okay. And this pattern, right? The pattern, the thread pattern, stay inside of the body tool because I define work object and body tool already, and define this the current solid I will do, right? You must set up the solid. You need to fill in the new feature too, right? You must use the define work object, important. Okay, let me use the color different. I use here, and right now it not complete, right? Not complete yet because under the surface, right? The below surface, the feature is a shade feature. Shade pattern is go over under the surface, right? Under the surface tire, right? Here, you must cut off, right? When you need to cut off, you must use another function, another command. You should use the up feature. You no, it's not that up. You must use this one. Sorry, I forgot it. This one. You should do this. You should use this one. Speed. This speed command. Okay, you select on the surface, right? Okay, the surface, the below tile surface, right? And tile surface, right? And arrow is a point to which one you need to keep the solid, right? To keep the solid. Okay, this side you need to keep the solid. Stay here, and another the less of that should be cut off, right? Should be cut off under the surface tire. Okay, I will use this cut off. Okay, it show up an error, right? Show error. Okay, click on here. You must extrapolate, extend the surface. Okay, tangent. Click OK again, right? Okay, you be careful. You follow up the spatial function, spatial parameter. You need to set it up, right? Okay, don't forget select on extrapolate type tangent, right? And meaning this function, is you going to extend the surface, the under surface, the below surface of the tire. You need to extend wider, right? Extend wider enough for cut it off the solid, the solid. Extrude up, right? Extrude up and cut it off by the surface. I use the tangent. The tangent, okay, extend wider than the solid, right? Than the thread, right? The thread tight thread, right? Okay, use the function. Don't forget, use this one. Otherwise, it's pop up the error because the surface not enough cover the solid, right? So the thread tie solid. Okay, click OK. Okay, now next function. Next step you need to go you must pattern is copy this feature, around of the tire surface, right, on the top, around of the, the surface tire. uh, you use this pattern, this one. Select on the third command and go down and point to circular pattern, the circular pattern, right? And if you cannot find out about that command, you use another way. You focus on the main menu and insert, right? Click on the insert main menu and go down and find out the and transformation feature. Okay, focus on the transformation feature and go down to the circular pattern, right? Okay, same thing, same the dialog box of the circular pattern, right? Going to the the current solid, right? And current solid means the body number 2, and is go and rotate around, is copy around of the x-axis, right? X-axis here, x-axis. Okay. I reduce the space angle, okay, no, more, oh, uh, 17, no, it's too small, 19, okay, accept it, and go to increase the number of the pattern, right? Okay, increase 20, 20, and reduce 18. Right? Okay. Um, Speed to 20, 19.5, 19.5, 20.5. 20. Okay. I need to set up 20.5. 21. 21.5. Okay, you try and try out and okay, look at, okay, enough. Okay, enough for here. Okay, I done about this. You can change the color. Okay, if I click on here, click the color to the color green, right? Okay, right now I use another one for getting the feature tread tire, right? Keep the tread tire in the body number 2, and the body, the main part, keep the main tire, right? And two body become to one. If I see I see from the product, right? Look at back to the tire, right? The tire is the one part, right? It's a one part, right? And okay, if you use this two part body, okay, it's free to define the color different, right? If I add up, right? Add up to one part, right? Okay, up to one part right here. Okay, it's under the part body become part, right? Okay, this is the real, is a one part, right? Add up. Okay, this is one part. Because I define the color before add up, okay, this will still be the different color, right? If you didn't define the color individual of the part, right? Okay, when you add up and when you define the part, you will get the same color, right? The one color it can be, right? And the one color can be at all, can be the same color in this part, because add up and define the color later, you will get the one color. If you define different color individual of the part, before you add it up to one, okay, after that the different color you will show up on the part body after you add up already, because you define individual before you add, right? Add a function. We save this. I will save this. Okay, let me show you about self management, right? And right now it show up a new one, right? New one, right? Okay. This actually in this your Word file, right? Your Word file right now never saved before. You must to save as. Okay, max view I will save here, and car view is car view cat Kodak. Okay, and this one save as in the same folder, right? In the, your project file folder, save tire, right? And keep okay. Okay, I will suggest you, I will apply the material color to your part, right? In your part. Okay, the part body is part body, right? So I told you before, if you define the materials in here and just only one material apply to the part body, and some case, right, in some case in the material, some case the color, okay, it still have the different color, right? Right there. And when the material, right, you define the material, you will get only one color material, right? And if you need to set up the different color different material in your product, right? You must delete it out, delete the add, right? Add function. And one thing you need to concern about this one, delete, right? Delete aggregated element. Okay, need to concern about here. You tick off before you click OK. And show you and still have the body number 2. If you didn't click turn off the aggregated element and the body is gone, right? Body is gone. That means I told you you must be worried about this, right? Right? About this. Okay, let me set up different material color on the body number 2. The body number 2 I will use uh, use this other the plastic right here, and this part body I will painting okay, this one. Over here. Okay, done. Check it up again about save management. Okay, right now pop up the status, right? It's modified already. I verify before you going to this file and modify a little bit, right? And it show up the state is modified, right? You must save again and open. Okay, never have define anything, modify anything. Okay, not touch that before. Okay, let me save. Okay, right now ready to go. See you next video.